It's time for school. Good morning. Good morning. Knock, knock. Anybody's home? Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Guess what? Guess what? It's time for breakfast in school. Come on, let's go. Run along. Say good morning to Fibs.
Good morning, Fibs.
You ready for school?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go have breakfast real quick, okay? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. My boy is up early and he's ready to go to school. Vacation is done and he's super excited. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys will enjoy today's vlog. Baby's off to work. I am gonna drop Tyler to school and then get back and get a bunch of stuff done before I head to work. Funny story, last night I hear Tyler crying in his sleep. Like about 2 hours after I put him down for the night, went to his room. Here, Tyler, hear me. Tyler, why are you crying? Tyler, Mama, I didn't get to talk to the Fibs one more time before I go to sleep. Really, boy? Really? That's what you're crying for? Yes, Mama. Talk to the Fibs, there they are. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm watching the Blaze.
You're watching Blaze?
It's the gorilla.
The gorilla. You ready for school? Ready for school? Excited to go see your friends and their teacher? Yeah, what's this?
That said no. That said yes. Said no. So they tell me not yet.
Why not yet? Because you have one more sandwich? One more toast?
Yeah.
Alright, eat it up so we can go. We have 5 minutes to get out of here, okay? Alright, till Fibs. See you guys later. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna drop my big little to school and then I'll be right back with you. You guys, look at this curry chicken and rice. Oh, glory! It smells so good. I'm about to grub in this right now. It is actually lunchtime for me. I've been working all morning, doing lots of editing. I paused for a bit to fold. I set off laundry. I set another set of laundry that is washing right now. I'm just on a roll from morning because I'm trying to get a bunch of stuff done before I head out here. But I wanted to show you guys my lunch. Looks yummy. And I'm gonna grub on this yummy curry chicken right now. Let me know what, well, I was about to tell you guys, let me know what you guys having for lunch down below in the comment section. But newsflash, YouTube disable them all until they figure it out. You guys just ride with us. Baby D just got a package. Just got a package. She just got a package from one of the most special lady in her life. One of her grandma, one of her grandma, my mama. She's just been buying and sending me things, y'all. Oh my god. Oh, look how cute is this. Oh my god. Oh, mommy buy her fur shoes. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, look Look at this cutie. Oh, it's perfect beyond. Oh, her fur shoes. Look at that. Ah! Thanks, Ma. So cute. Listen, almost every other week I get a package from my mom. This girl is so darn adorable. Look at that. Look at it. She's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. Thanks, Mommy. Been here all day just doing laundry, folding baby girl clothes, putting them away neatly in her drawer, and making dinner for the fam bam is what I just finished doing. I just finished making the family's favorite chicken wings, which is right here. Ooh, look at this. And if you guys want to know how I make this delicious chicken wings, head over to Mel's Kitchen. Mel's Kitchen is where it's at, and the link for that is down below in the description box if you haven't yet subscribed to Mel's Kitchen. These are delicious too. Okay, anyway, you guys, I am going to get some snack, get a little relaxation, and then head off to work for a bit before I be back with the boys. There goes dinner for the fam, babe, Tyler, and mine. So mine is to go because I'm heading to work. I'll be at work when I'm hungry, and Tyler and babe will just stick theirs in the microwave while I'm away. So dinner is ready for the fam.
Hi guys, well, good afternoon. I'm home now. Excuse me. I'm home now with Tyler. Tyler is very quiet. Tyler is here. Tyler is eating. I went at school to get him. I went at school to get him from school. You have a good day. You have a good day, babe. Well, I still feel sick. He had a good day. Baby's at work. She made dinner. Look at that. Ooh, some nice chicken. So we're actually with Tyler eating dinner. Let me show you guys what she made. Some quinoa, some chicken, and some vegetables. Tyler is eating like a boss. Babe should be here in like 10 minutes. So yeah, I hope she's doing well. I hope she have a good day. I hope you all guys have a good day. Yeah, for us, we here, we chill. Our day was okay. How day was okay. Outside start to get I won't say more sunny and sunny because there didn't really have been any winter, but the light, I mean the daylight is longer, so when we come home about 6:30 p.m. it's still there, so yeah, it's kind of feel better. Right, so we're gonna eat. We see after what we're gonna do. We might play or we might just chill with Tyler. So I'm gonna catch you. I'll catch you guys.
And that's where we're gonna end it for today's vlog. I came home that night and I went straight into bed. I just felt tired and I felt like I just needed to rest, so I went straight to bed. I didn't even had dinner. Babe made me a sandwich a few hours later, and he had to take care of Tyler, put him to bed and everything. Thank God for a husband like mine. But before I go ahead and sign out, I'm gonna leave you with a clip of a fun game that Tyler and I and Babe played that will be on his channel on Friday. So it's a sneak peek, and the rest of it will be on Tyler's channel. So please go ahead and subscribe to Tyler's channel to see all the fun that we'll be having over there with Tyler, and all the things that Tyler will be doing on his channel. And also go ahead and subscribe to my food channel. All those links are down below in the description box. Love you guys. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in our next daily vlog.
This is Mama, this is Papa. And we're gonna do egg time.
We're gonna do Russian egg roulade. Tell them.
We're gonna do Russian egg roulade.
Yeah.
Stronger.
Wait. Put your finger right here. Go.
Right.
Ah.
You have to put the eggs on somebody else's head.
Oh my gosh, wait. You have to smash an egg on Mama head or Papa head. And some of these eggs have water and some don't. Whose head you gonna smash the egg on? Papa? Okay, take it.
No.
Take one.
Choose another one.
Choose one. No. Hey.
Which one you choose? This one? This one?
Wait. Who you gonna smash it on? You?
No.
Papa?
Yeah.
Okay, open it over Papa head. Open it over the head. Papa got wet.
Yeah.
Papa gonna have his revenge on Tyler.
Whose turn?
My turn.
Come, give him. Wait.
Oh, skip your turn.
Uh-oh, Tyler lose his turn now. It's Mama turn. Uh-oh, I pass. Now it's Tyler's turn. Put your finger right here. One egg on your head. Put it over your head like this. Over your head. No, over your head. Put it over your head. Hold it over your head like this.
After you bump it on Mama.
Okay. Hold it over your head. Open it over your head now.
Tyler.
One egg on my head. I'm doing it on Papa.